Man, see that push mower behind me? Yeah, you see it. I got a huge, massive yard to push mow by myself, solo. Is this bothering me internally? No. Bothering me mentally? No. I've set up my business to where I can handle everything. I may not be able to cut it on 3 days, but I can do it in a week without killing myself. We're going to talk about this throughout the day. I'm not going to film this property. It's huge. It would take way too long to film it, and I got to have some good Pink Floyd music, maybe Led Zeppelin, to get through this mission. Never done it by myself. Probably going to take 2.5 hours, I'm guessing. Maybe more. I don't know. Look at this yard back here. Plush sod, goes all the way down, wraps around here into the woods. Wow. So, stay tuned. Alright, so 3 patches of grass in, 47 minutes of the amazing album Animals from Pink Floyd. Pushing a good little mood, mindset, and yeah, I'm headed over to the forest section that wraps around the back of the house now. So, see how long that takes. Said it's the first time I've done it by myself, so trying to keep track of this time. Like 48 minutes in. Pretty cool, actually. Did all this in the back, all the way down the hill. 38 minutes. Tell you what, this Honda push mower, I think that has a place in the family for good. We're gonna place that on the family tree, okay? The Honda push mower. It was amazing. Look, I'll check back in, say something good. I did do a lot of thinking in those, what was it, 120 minutes? Take a little quick drink and weed eat on. 2.5 hours, everything push mowed, tightly weeded and blown. So, not too bad. And I really only have 4 more places I have to do today. Of course, I'll take you to them so you can see my adventures on Saturday fully. But yeah, this was the hardest part of my day. Hardest things first, or nastiest, hardest things last. Either one, that's up to you, but that's my choice, first or last. Check back in. All right, guys, back at my next stop. Show you a few things on this property that I noticed as soon as I pulled up. Nothing big. We're just gonna have to schedule a visit here, and they also have a bunch of other projects that we gotta tackle. So I'll point them out real quick. Well, one more rhododendron bites the dust. Probably a little bit too much sun, and that bed gets irrigated every day, so probably a little bit too much water also. So we'll probably replace him with some cluster of coneflowers there, because coneflowers are still full bloom, just banging right now. So that's what we'll do. Got a few more up here at the top. We got to replace some of the laurels that didn't look good. Those have been in other videos. These 3 got ran over. Someone backed over them, but they didn't kill them, just smashed them. Pause. Pause. Alright, so when I was cutting that extremely juicy wet grass last night at the log home, stuff didn't finish well, apparently. I hadn't gotten on the Turf Tiger until just now, so yeah, just the way it goes, right? I guess my mission for today, I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm gonna take both my machines back to the house, clean them up, grease them, get the oil changed, and get ready for Monday morning when I can go grab a belt. Kind of need the weekend off anyways. These yards aren't tall. These clients are understanding if they call and ask, which I doubt they will. But yeah, it's green now. 2 weeks ago, it was dead. I don't think many people can complain about that. So I'll check back in at the home front. I'll show you real quick because it's not hard. All right. This pin, take that pin out, undo this connection right here, and there's a skid plate. Boom. It has 4 bolts. Undo those 4 bolts, take that skid plate off. That gives you access below that pulley to set that belt in. All right. Obviously, this has a tensioner spring, so the spring has to come off. That tensioner pulley will slide that way forward to give you the slack you need to get everything adjusted. Then simply get your vice grips, put on that spring, boop, boop, pop it back on. All right. Like I said, I have a video on it, but pretty quick and easy fix. And why not take the minute and 5 seconds that just took to walk you through it? Okay. Right back at you. Here we go. Yeah. All right, guys. If you have the tall turf fescue in your area, you know what time of year it is. It's called Nut's Edge. Boom. That's not good grass. That is Nut's Edge. It has invaded this whole property, and it does it every year, okay? The whole thing always gets taken over with Nut's Edge. It gets treated, it goes away, it comes back the next year. So, whatever's whatever. This yard definitely needs to get on a program. We got clovers, weeds everywhere on it, so I don't offer that. I don't offer the program turf services. I use other contractors for those. So, let's get on the day. Obviously, Saturday, my Scag went down. Clutch belt went out on it, and I called the day early. So, just picked up a new belt, popped it on there real quick. I do have a video in the past with that whole process on it for you guys to learn from. Keep your fingers crossed. I haven't fired it up yet, so let's see if it works. It worked. It's running. Blades are spinning good. Nothing sounds bad. We're gonna roll on today. Keep my fingers crossed. All right, guys. This was a major issue on a different yard about an hour later. First of all, it's wet, and I almost bit the dust way down the mountain. Way down the mountain. I was almost gone. Okay. Now, it's pretty significant because there's no way to get out of there once you're down. But this ground right here, super soggy. That wasn't even the issue though. I got out of that. The issue was the mower just shut down on me.